Looking kinda fancy, looking really fancy. Started telling me I had a problem. I said, what do you mean? She said, I am the queen and you gotta embark on this journey. So I started moving, my feet was grooving. A 55-year-old said, what are you doing? I said, I don't know ya, you got any moolah? They said, I don't, but you're looking for Muga. What is a Muga? I think I've heard of Muga. Wait, isn't that a Muga? Oh my goodness. Man, I gotta go. I know you home, but I gotta thank you, bro. You said I got you, no problemo. I ran 50 miles with my dog Milo. I couldn't chill, had to find the Muga. Could be in Brazil, could be in Cuba. I got so thirsty, they gave me Jasmine juice. I forgot all about Muga, I did not care about Moolah. Hanging with my boy Maverick, gaming with my friend Patrick. I was in the mall, that's where I met Paul. Shopping with the bros that everybody knows. But I began to worry, the time was 4:30. The sky was looking blurry, I knew I had to hurry. Something was very wrong, I walked all day long. Then I found two words, Planet Saigon. I suddenly woke up like I was hit by a truck. I didn't know what to do, oh what is my luck? I was thinking about my mom, I was thinking about my team, I was thinking about my child. Now I missed a stream, I had to escape before it was too late. I saw someone approaching, there was no time to waste. I was running out of time, but then I kicked sail alive. I was finally free, I tried to run and flee, but something caught my leg. Why does this happen to me? This was not supposed to happen. The Sam Alive assassin, about to steal my subs and Muga. Before my eyes, there was another guy. I think he looked real sus, I swear his name was Gus. They were about to strike, I said to be smashed like. They said no we won't, so I screamed yikes. Came to save the day, looking really brave. Floated like a tidal wave. We ran out like a bazooka to search for the Muga. I had to train to get the gains, 1,000 pounds in my veins. But as I got some fries, I saw my demise. This is what I have been training for. We both saw the Muga by the shore. Sam Alive trying to tear us down to the floor. I won't take this anymore. Fighting, yeah we're fighting. We're fighting, we're really fighting. No, this can't be. Wait, Milo? Oh, he got hit by a car. We had done it, Sam Alive is finished. The Muga is ours, let's see who's the villain. I pulled the mask off and I saw. Wait, Eric?
Thank you so much for watching this video, it means a lot to me. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.